you looking for a solution that can significantly enhance the efficiency and precision of your soldering processes? PROMATION USA is proud to introduce our state-of-the-art M-Series dual slide soldering robot designed to revolutionize your soldering operations. Unprecedented efficiency. Our M-Series soldering robot is engineered with cutting-edge technology to maximize your productivity. By incorporating two independent slides, this innovative system enables parallel soldering processes, eliminating downtime and greatly boosting efficiency. This means you can accomplish more within a given time frame, ultimately increasing your overall output and profitability. Superior precision. At PROMATION USA, we understand the critical role precision plays in soldering work. That's why our dual slide soldering robot offers unparalleled accuracy and repeatability. By leveraging advanced vision systems and precise control algorithms, this robotic solution guarantees precise solder joint placement, ensuring optimal connectivity and reliability. Say goodbye to inconsistent soldering results caused by human error. Our robot consistently delivers exceptional quality, flexibility, and versatility. Our dual slide soldering robot is designed to adapt to a wide range of soldering applications, whether you're working on complex PCBs, SMT components, or through hole soldering tasks. With its versatile capabilities, this robot can handle diverse product types and manufacturing requirements, making it an invaluable asset for your production line. Safety and ergonomics. PROMATION USA prioritizes both operator safety and ergonomic considerations. Our soldering robots are built with safety features, including integrated safety barriers and emergency stop mechanisms, ensuring a secure working environment. Moreover, the automation provided by the system eliminates the need for manual soldering, reducing the risk of repetitive strain, injuries, and increasing overall worker comfort. Easy integration and intuitive user interface. We understand that integrating new equipment into your existing production setup should be seamless. The dual slide soldering robot from PROMATION USA is designed to be easily integrated into your workflow, facilitating a smooth transition. Additionally, our intuitive user interface provides operators with a user-friendly experience, minimizing training time and maximizing productivity from day one. Cost-effective solution. Investing in our premium line of automated soldering robots is a cost-effective decision that yields long-term benefits. By reducing wasted motion, significantly reducing defects, and increasing overall productivity, this soldering robot is a must-have item for manufacturers looking for process improvement. Start your automation journey today by visiting with us online at PROMATIONUSA.com. PROMATION USA, your trusted automation partner.